I knew that I wanted to enter a career where I could help people, but also where I could still be competitive. I've been an athlete my whole life. My mom is a bodybuilder. I was a competitive athlete growing up and then played sports in college. So I wanted to join a career where competitiveness would be celebrated and not have to be toned down, and I thought being a lawyer would be a good fit for that. My name is Samantha Dos Santos, and I practice personal injury law. People oftentimes reach out to us in some of the worst days of their lives. Someone has been catastrophically injured in a car accident, they've lost a family member, they've been injured as a business due to no fault of their own. My philosophy as a lawyer is just to get the best outcome for the client, and obviously that's going to be different in every single case. Each client's needs are different, the facts of every case are different, which also makes personal injury law really interesting. But my philosophy is get the best outcome for that client and what that client needs. My clients are incredibly important to me. They're the people that I get to speak to every single day. They're the people that I get to work on their cases, better their lives, hopefully, at the end of my representation. A lot of personal injury practice may advertise that they do personal injury, but they're not actually interested in litigation. And litigation is a huge part of our practice. We're not scared to go against insurance companies. We're not scared to go against any other law firm. And we're not scared to be in the courtroom. And I think all of that is important to get the best outcomes for clients, because we're not just going to settle a case because we fear litigation, and we get better outcomes for that reason. My goal for each and every client is to make sure that I reach the best and most favorable outcome for them. That's going to look different for every single case that comes in. So my job really is to evaluate the case, evaluate the strengths and weaknesses, speak to the client and see what their goals are and try and meet those goals. I have been a competitor my entire life. I went into this career field so that I could be competitive for other people, so I could represent other people but also be myself. I think that's what makes me a successful advocate, is I'm extremely competitive. I want to get the best outcome for you, and I'll do anything to ensure that we reach that outcome.